हाय हेलो नमस्ते। आई एम दिव्यानी द हंग्री यंग वुमन एंड चलो आज मेरे साथ ऑन एन अनकन्वेंशनल डे दैट आई शैल बी स्पेंडिंग इन कोलाबा कॉजवे एंड साउथ मुंबई। सबसे पहले तो आई बोर्डेड द ट्रेन, द लाइफ लाइन ऑफ मुंबई इन टिपिकल मुंबई का स्टाइल। पूरा भरा हुआ ट्रेन, बट नो टेंशन, सीट तो मिलेगी ही। I found this lady selling gavas in the train. She claimed that they were very sweet gavas from Nashik. I couldn't stop myself from buying one. Yeah, some may say these things are not washed, you should not buy them from local vendors just like this and start eating, but you know how delicious it was when you want to eat it. कहते हैं दादर के बाद हमेशा सीट मिलती है, and that happened definitely. I decided to change my nail paint which was chipping off, but I had forgotten my nail paint remover. तो मुंबई स्टाइल में not giving up, overlaying my new nail paint on my old. I won't advise you to do this for your nail health, okay? But yeah, for once it's okay. On this particular day, I was traveling by Mumbai local after I guess a year, so it really felt special. Especially getting that window seat means everything. The golden hour light falling on me was really cheering up my mood. Wow. That's me crushing on my nails. ओके, ये हो गया तो दूसरे हाथ का भी हो ही जाएगा। हैशटैग मुंबई कर एंड देयर जुगाड्स। Okay, let's put things in the right place. We don't give up, you see. It's the Mumbai spirit, baby. Okay, touchdown, CSMT railway station. The feeling when I reach this part of Mumbai is really good. It's 3 o'clock. Let's start the expedition. First, let's cross the road.
The signal is
The
halted.
difficult part.
Let's go. Going towards Aham and here follow this uncle. Oh, uncle left me. Uncle left me. Okay. Wow. I think this dhokebaz uncle is also going to have vada pav. So I think this will be a queue here and
Okay, we have reached Aram Vada Pav. So there's a seating area also for which there was a queue, and there's also a queue for the grab and go section. It happens only in Mumbai. Somebody walking on the street with their harmonium and singing alongside. Yeah, they sell these variety of vada pavs, but I went with the classic today. One more road to
जाओगे
cross.
टाइम लगेगा 30
चलेगा
रुपये हाँ?
चलेगा
After some small talk with other people who were seated in my cab, in the share cab that I boarded, I decided to gulp down that vada pav. So the vada pav at Aram usually is not very spicy or flavorful as such. The mild taste is what it's known for. The chutneys are quite flavorful though. Oh my god, passing through these lanes after so long. The Flora Fountain. I used to come here all the time to get books, buy books, second hand novels and books, and Oh, every time I come here, that regret of not visiting Fab Cafe, which used to be up there above Fab India, comes back to me. I always wanted to go to that place, but I never did. Then when the place shut down, so yeah, that's like a memory for me of, or a reminder for me of visiting places. Oh, bhago, auntie, bhago! Mass crossing, mass parking. Shall I say mass photoing? Because yeah, we've reached.
Near or you can remember.
That's Causeway.
टैक्सी कितने का है? कितने का है ये? 150. So the caps here.
कैब बता मैडम को।
अच्छा. They have those tennis hats. कितने के है ये?
वो सब अलग अलग प्राइस के।
एक अंदाजे से बताओ ना, बड़े वाले के
बड़ा
कितने
वाला
हैं?
रहेगा 700 रुपीज़ का है।
हाँ हाँ.
वो
ये
extra
एनिमल प्रिंट वाला जो है इसका कितना है ये वाला?
600 रुपीज़ का है।
अच्छा. ये
100, 400,
हाँ जी,
500
हाँ जी. 400 to 700 everything he has. This is right outside Puma. हाँ जी, अच्छा. बराबर है, अच्छा है, अच्छा है. शहद बेच रहे हैं?
हाँ जी मैडम।
अच्छा जी. Femina bags, Lucknow chappals, but Lucknow chappal is also selling these bags only now. This is one shop right behind the bus stop. Such a good variety.
These wooden bangles seem to be back in trend after 15-20 years. I remember owning them as a kid.
Fridge magnets. आपके परिवहन भवन, you have this person. He makes, with a pen you write whatever you want on paper or you draw it, and he'll turn it into either a keychain or a locket for you, and he'll sell it with the chain for 250 rupees. So you get text written or you can get photograph. Yeah. So what is that? Huh? 150. So you are getting this for 150. So you know where to get these kind of things from. It's always best to walk around a little bit before you buy something. They have these nice Christmas tote bags as well, I think. Yeah, pretty one. अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं नहीं. क्रेप है ना ये? कितने का है ये?
750
अच्छा. Okay. Get these kind of things all. Sunglasses. These pretty ones going towards Walton Road. There's very little here on Walton Road, but yeah. Very cute night dress. सर कितने के ये? सेट कितने का है?
550 का।
अच्छा. Very cute one for 550, and the fabric is also quite good. He has a lot of variety. Opposite Park Avenue. Oh, these mirror covers.
There's this back door of a cafe which falls here. Of course, the cafe is in the other lane, but yeah, free Wi-Fi, free game, free chocolate, free coffee. I don't know. I haven't tried this place. You can try it for yourself.
ये आप बेचने के लिए बना रहे क्या?
मैडम हम ये सेल करते हैं एम्ब्रॉयडरी नीडल्स।
अच्छा, एम्ब्रॉयडरी नीडल बेच और ये रिंग भी.
हाई रिंग।
अच्छा, ओके.
पहले आप अपने ये जो कपड़ा है
हाँ.
इस पे नहीं, आप अपने कपड़े पे बनाएंगे, अपने
अच्छा.
सूट में, अपने ड्रेस में।
अच्छा,
तो ये नीडल
अच्छा.
मिलेगा मेरे पास। ये नीडल पंच नीडल
अच्छा, आप नीडल बेच रहे हैं? अच्छा,
आप भी नीडल ले लो
हाँ जी।
Opposite Peter, England, you have these belts, the best ones that you can
There's a
get in
florist
Causeway.
here.
Globe Textile, the best place to get block print
Opposite
skirts,
Kashmoir Bar
cord
here.
sets, etc.
Timekeeper, 60 minutes. Antique phone, all of this right here. And from here I take a
So I've reached the petrol pump.
okay.
U-turn.
Pretty. Anyway, we are
I
headed this
usually
way.
take a U-turn from here. Wow, that's something.
Basic t-shirts. Here in this shop you get a lot of quirky things. Like they have these spiral straws, plastic straw. All kinds of food magnets. Idli, momos, South Indian. Right near the florist, near the post office, opposite Crocs, you'll find this man selling really cute night dresses. These are very Christmas-like, pinks and reds. Like opposite Bombay dyeing or bang opposite Crocs. You get really good sunglasses here. I bought one dual shaded one from here. These kind of pot sets also from Afghans.
Jackpot.
Good ones opposite casings of Afghans with this tribal kind of strings. Opposite Parevar. Beautiful bags, unique bag. ये कितने का है सर? ये कितने का है?
950 का है 950
पर वाटर प्रूफ आएगा? नहीं. So outside Rockon. In Rockon also you get good cord sets for boys. Uncle doing his share of good deeds. I'm walking from Mochi towards Leopold now. Gramophone. Literally everything gets sold here. इसमें गाना है क्या सीरीज में? अच्छा. Hello.
Back to where we started from.
They have the belt also. ये कितने की है? ये घड़ी वाला जो है 450. These are actually finger rings. Adjustable है ना? अच्छा. Wow, that's nice stuff. It's right outside Rashi. Bargaining, going back and forth.
Now I'm going
To get the best
to
deals.
It's Leopold Cafe.
Working shirts here.
मेरे लिए
है बीच में जो है वो
ये
हाँ नहीं बॉक्स में है वो
पेपर में gooseberry
गूसबेरी
We find everything here.
वेरी नाइस स्टफ गुड फैब्रिक द फैब्रिक इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट गुड ये कितने का है 450 का सेल्फ कलर सो देयर इज नो रिस्क लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस यू ऑलवेज फियर द कलर विल bleed while washing outside leather world these unique footwear also. There are these funky t-shirts that you'll get. Spider-Man and Balenciaga. Of course, you know this is not the real stuff, but it's quite quirky and nice. Outside United Colors of Benetton and opposite that is. They're selling crystals. They're quite expensive, but yeah, if they do the job, you are lucky. These kind of waistcoats, these kind of cute Akbar Plaza. You get very good jewelry in Akbar Plaza in this shop, but yeah, this fellow doesn't bargain at all. There's beautiful footwear collection here. This man is selling these kind of spaghetti tops on corduroy material. ये कितने का है? 350. He has a lot of designs. You can spot him in anywhere in this lane. again so much. We are outside Royal Leather now. I have reached my destination of Leopold Cafe. I'm very tempted, but
After a thorough bag check, I have entered Leopold Cafe and grabbed my table. The place is full at almost all days of the month. There's a seating up there as well. Everybody remembers Leopold for the terrorist attack of Mumbai. It's one of those places which still has the old school vibes. These menus under the glass of the table. The hot chocolate was not great, but the fries and the burger.
I just exited from the back gate of Leopold. Large, pretty sunflowers. He's selling punch needles, ice cream, dosa, banana leaf vegetarian platter, pav bhaji, oh dhokla. कितने के हैं ये सब? अच्छा 100 rupees each. कितने के हैं स्क्वायर वाले? 450. We are Wear Your Opinion. I've taken quite a few t-shirts from Wear Your Opinion. You get very funky text t-shirt. We are nearing the end of Causeway. Sir, ये कितने के हैं? 200. 200 for these. Light is flickering quite a bit, but yeah. This sunglasses store, stand optician, is very good. Nice dresses here at Ramp. The Ramp. Good For men to buy accessories, this place is opposite Time World. Small diaries. It's quite the trend for beach vacations. ये कितने का है?
350 का
Really nice ones. Excuse me. Again, near the bus stop, you have these belts. Oh, these ones are quite good. They have this rubber finish. They are looking very stylish. Like if you get something like this particular green and you wear it with white, it will look great. These ones, very nice. So pretty. Can hold a lipstick only, I'm very sure. Nothing more than that. But yeah, this one, very mermaid-like. ये कितने का है सर? अंकल ये कितने का है? 450 और ये वाला? 750 for these. This one. Ooh. 450. This is in the beginning of the lane near McDonald's, next to the bookshop. Really unique earrings. ये कितने का है? 550. Near Cafe Mondegard now. So what is unique things? Why does their light flicker? These kind of things, they look very nice.
It's just 5 p.m. now.
This is,
And
I'll come back. Huh?
This is the queue
This is
for
the
a movie
queue
that's going to start at
for-
6:30.
These are the number of people that have lined up to see Pulp Fiction. Oh my god. Oh. Doesn't look like the queue is ending anytime soon. They let in, I guess, about 1,000 people. So people waiting in the queue because they know it's going to be a long while. Wait. More and more and more and more number of people have lined up here. Iconic Regal Cinemas, showing only splendor on the surface, but the movie that we have come to watch. Yeah. Regal Theaterच्या बाहेर.
Found myself a place at the
Is that guy with the Pulp Fiction
T-shirt.
Yeah.
The funky things that people carry.
We are finally getting in kitchen. Huh? Yeah. Huh?
Hope we managed to get a good seat. We were not that behind in the queue, so we might have found one. Plus, we did all the running. On the staircase, that is.
Sorry, thanks.
Quite happy. Let's grab the best seats.
And his cameos are always part of it.
Yeah, you may.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So before the movie started, this man here, I forgot his name, told us that it was 1,300 of us in the theatre. Just like that, the movie started.
Yeah, it's too risky. No truth in that shit.
And
Say that the same thing every
ended. Amazing movie, you must watch it at least once. We are now here at the Starbucks near Regal Cinema. We just dropped in here to chill for a bit. But little did I know that there was a tiny surprise for me here. This is the best Starbucks that I have ever seen in Mumbai. A minute away from Regal Cinemas.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? You're finally buying.
You want something like this?
This is very Christmassy, no? This is very Christmassy. Should I get this? What do you think I should
Excuse
take?
me, which one you want finally?
I think I like Mumbai only. So these are all the cities. Of course, I'm going with Mumbai. Chennai
just
one
selling
is
one
also pretty good.
I'm a little confused whether I should get this sipper or the Mumbai mug.
That's my Santa who came over and got me a gift.
That's me jumping with joy, dancing around like a clown or like a kid in a candy store, however you want to describe that. Wait, I'll show you what I got.
Chalo.
And it's 10 o'clock. Thanks for spending the last 7 hours with me. So this is the Mumbai mug that I bought from Starbucks. It showcases a lot of the tiny elements of the city, like people doing a morning walk at Marine Drive, the Holy Ceiling Bridge, the Dabbawalas, Wankhede Stadium, I guess, theatre, cinema, the Queen's Necklace, the train, the metro, the monsoon, best part of Mumbai. This is a part of the Been There Global series by Starbucks. Along by Magnet, from one of the local stores over there in Colaba Causeway. I don't know why you never purchase magnets of your own city for your fridge collection, right? So I decided to pick this one. It shows all the usual, the Kali Pili, and from the Kali Pili window you get some local sightseeing spots, two new things in my collection to commemorate the city I love and sometimes don't love, hashtag toxic relationship. But yeah,